Hi and welcome to the Baking with Muhammad channel. Today, we're going to make a delicious coffee-flavored bread together. So, join me. Okay, we need 210 grams of flour. In this step, we combine 20 grams of sugar, 3 grams of yeast, and 1/2 teaspoon of salt with the flour. Add 130 milliliters of lukewarm milk to the flour and start mixing the ingredients with a spatula. Once the ingredients have formed a dough, start kneading by hand. Once the dough is a bit cohesive, it's time to add 20 grams of room temperature butter and knead until the butter is completely incorporated into the dough. Divide the dough into 2 equal parts and shape one part into a ball. Place it in a plastic-covered bowl and let it rest for 1 hour. Combine half a tablespoon of instant coffee with 1 teaspoon of hot water and stir. Combine the other half of the dough with the instant coffee and knead until they are completely uniform. Shape the coffee dough into a ball and let it rest in a covered bowl for 1 hour. Once the dough has rested, roll it out on a floured surface, as shown in the video. Place the coffee layer on the plain dough, trim the edges of the 2 layers to the same size, and then roll them together as shown in the video. Place the dough in a greased baking tray, cover it with a cloth, and let it rise until it doubles in size. At this point, brush the dough with milk using a brush and bake it in a preheated oven at 180 degrees Celsius for 25 minutes. Thank you for watching the video so far. If you enjoyed the video, please don't forget to like and share it. I would also appreciate it if you would subscribe to my channel. See you next time. Goodbye.